should you turn your home into a rental property? There are two main ways for homeowners to get value out of their current properties. First, you can sell your home and get the equity out of it. However, a less conventional strategy is becoming more popular here in Cincinnati and around the area, and that's converting your primary residence into a rental. So how do you go about converting your primary into a rental? First, we need to talk with your lender and see if you've paid off your mortgage. Traditionally, you can't use a primary residence loan for investment purposes, so we may have to change the terms of your loan and wait until it's paid off in full. Traditionally, we can refinance out of that loan, out of your primary and into a traditional type of loan, so let's talk to your lender about those options. There are a lot of advantages to turning your primary residence into a rental. For example, you'll have money coming in to pay off your mortgage where your tenants are the ones making that payment, and you can invest that money into other areas. We all know rents have been rising across the country, so you might make more money off a rental than you think. There are also many tax advantages to rentals, and the most important one is the depreciation of your expense. This is an exemption for general wear and tear, and it could make all your rental income tax-free. If you'd like to learn more about this, chat with me and we'll get with your lender. Let's talk about some of the cons if you do turn your primary into a rental. Maintaining your home can be a lot of work, so a lot of people pay for property managers. Let's discuss those options and get you with a property manager if managing your own property doesn't sound like something that's worth your time.